Hi guys, Linnea here. I have been asked many times over just the last few days to start doing some of my readings on YouTube. And it's not something I've done because I've just kind of been hanging with my witchy stuff and so on. So I just kind of wanted to get an idea of what you guys thought about it. So I'm hoping that you'll leave me lots of comments and let me know. Um, I think it'll change the dynamic of my page, which is not necessarily a bad thing, and it wouldn't be something I did all the time, I don't think. Anyway, I just want to know what you guys think about that. So that's one thing. The next thing is, I've been thinking about dyeing my hair. Me, yes, gray. Not like super old lady kind of gray, but that gray that people have been dyeing their hair lately. I love it. I love it, and I'm tired of waiting for my hair to turn gray, so I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking, I like the blonde highlights that are in it. Those are natural, by the way. I don't have any dye in my hair. But I really, really am tired of waiting for it to turn gray, and it only does it like right in the front here. And so I'm getting tired of waiting. And I'm sorry my computer buzzes so loud. At any rate, so that's the other thing I was going to ask. What you guys thought about me going gray. Just a thought. Anyway, throwing those two at you. Waiting for some comments. Hoping to hear from you soon. Let me know what you think. I'm anxious to hear. And hope to talk to you soon. Know that you're all divine and sacred beings of light and love. I love each and every one of you equally, just as much, in huge bunches. Trust me. Talk to you soon.